Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Watch, and this is the new 2018 edition. And as you can see, it says 4.6 centimeter. That means this is the 46 variant. There's also another variant that's slightly smaller at 42 And guys, if you know, I have been actually using the Apple Watch, but the problem with the Apple Watch is that it only works with iPhones. So I wanted to actually test out a smartwatch that works well with Android phones. So this is the Samsung's flagship smartwatch. So let's see how it does. And guys, yes, I won't be testing it with a Samsung phone. I'm going to test it out with another Android phone. This is actually the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, so I'll be syncing with it. So yes, it does work with almost every Android phone out there, but we'll test it and see. So here is the watch itself, as you can see. And in terms of looks, I would say initial impression, it looks very similar to the Gear S3 that was last year. So you still have that circular ring that moves, you control via that. It's protected by Gorilla Glass, guys, and they have opted to go for this rubber straps this time. So, and guys, again, smartwatches are expensive. This is the premium product from Samsung, and the pricing for this one is 29,990, and it's sold in India via Flipkart, guys. So yeah, smartwatches, these premium ones are expensive, but not as expensive as the Apple Watch. But one thing to note, guys, is that we don't get the cellular variant in India. So this, you can take calls, but it will be over Bluetooth connected via your smartphone. So let's quickly open this up and let's see what else do we get. We have nothing, and here we should have the charging cradle. No, this is the power brick that we are getting, and it's micro USB type. They should have gone with USB type C now, finally. The entire world is moving. I don't know why these vendors do. So we have an extra strap also here. So that's a nice thing. And guys, this is basically a 22 strap. So you can actually replace it easily with any third-party straps. 22 that's what it is. And we also have a small guide here. So I'll put that back. And this is the charging cradle. In fact, this is the same one as we found on the Gear S3. So you'll have to just place it like this and it will charge. One thing to note is that this has a massive battery, and I'll talk about the specs later, but let's first let me give you a configuration overview. This Galaxy Watch 46 is having a 1.3-inch Super AMOLED screen that's circular in nature. It is protected by Gorilla Glass DX+. It has a 472 mAh battery. It's powered by the Samsung's own Exynos 9110 dual-core chip. It is having 4 GB of internal storage, 768 MB of RAM. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, and AGPS support. Moving to sensors, it has accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer, heart rate sensor, and even ambient light sensor. And it is also IP68 rated and 5 ATM. So that means you can also go swimming with this one. So moving to the physical overview, as you can see, we have two physical buttons over here. Again, it is having a touchscreen, and this actually you move around with this one. And this is metallic, guys. We do have some plastic covering over here, stainless, but this is stainless steel, guys. We also have it in one more color, I believe. But yeah, this is the stainless steel color. So this is what you have. And as I've told you, you can easily replace the straps by just sliding this. And we also have the heart rate sensor over here. So the build quality is actually really good. It looks pretty solid. And I'm pairing it with the Huawei Mate 20. As I told you, you can pair it with any modern Android smartphone, but you have to install a bunch of apps actually that you have to download from the Play Store to make it work. And yes, you have to give a permission. So it will take about 10-15 minutes. And the pairing is pretty fast, as you can see. And I was able to pair it, and you can customize the watch faces and stuff using that. And you use the circular motion to actually move around. It is a touchscreen, guys. You can use the touchscreen, but again, you rotate between this, and that's how you move, and you can change the watch faces. You can also download a ton of other watch faces from the companion app, and as you can see, you use this to move around. The navigation is done via this one. You can obviously use the touchscreen also, as you can see, but the main way to move around is with that rotatory mode, and the build quality is good, and this is supposed to give actually pretty good battery life, and it also does sleep tracking, which the Apple Watch does not do. But I will test it out and see how good it is for a week or so. So if you have any other questions regarding this one, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to include them in my full review. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.